In July 2007, for the first time in our history, Plaid formed the Welsh Government. The people of Wales now have a government formed by a party whose sole wish is to govern from Wales for the people of Wales.
In the spring of 2007, I pledged to form a government that would represent all the people of Wales, north, south, east and west. A government that would set aside party political differences for the good of Wales. A government that would drive forward a confident and diverse Wales. And above all, a government that would put the interests of the people of Wales and its communities first.
Ever since that day, we've brought a fresh approach to government, offering new ideas, bringing hope to all Welsh communities, showing that we must have the confidence to believe that we can change things for the better.
Plaid has taken decisions in government to help every man, woman and child in Wales. Changes to boost our economy, strengthen our public services, and changes that will support anyone who is struggling to make ends meet. So much has changed since the previous Labour government was in power. There's no more talk of hospitals being closed or downgraded. Instead, thanks to Plaid, many are getting extra services. We are scrapping hospital parking charges and funding free prescriptions, saving you £7.10 per item. There's no more pretending that all is well with the Welsh economy. Instead, new ideas like a multi-million-pound fund for small businesses, more spent on helping people find work, rate cuts for small businesses, and ambitious plans to improve our transport network. Plaid believes that good childcare is vital for Welsh families. But good childcare is important for us all, helping to drive forward our economy. That's why Plaid in government has set aside £120 million to expand affordable childcare.
During the last 12 months, I know that things have been hard for you. You may be worried about your job. You'll be worried about your mortgage bills, your food bills, your gas and electricity bills. We in the Assembly Government have been doing what we can to help people overcome these difficulties. But the government in Westminster must do more to help people with the daily cost of living. You really do need a government that's on your side.
Today, throughout Wales, too many people are struggling to make ends meet. Some people will tell you that this has happened by chance, bad luck, or was bound to happen. That's not true. It's happened because Labour and the Conservatives have rewarded recklessness in the City of London, rather than supporting people who are struggling to cope. Their failed London consensus promoted a vast increase in credit and an absurd house price boom, causing a credit crunch and economic hardship for many. But Plaid takes a different approach.
As we look forward, we are committed to doing what we can for the people of this country, to make a difference to the people of Wales, a difference in every single community.